Welcome to the WorldSkills UK National Finals, held right here in Coleg Gwent in Wales for the very first time.
Skills competitions raise the standard of technical and vocational education, giving our learners access to industry expertise, high-performance coaching and real opportunities to develop world-class skills.
Being part of WorldSkills UK is an amazing experience. Competing gives me the chance to push myself, learn from others and put my skills to the test. I've gained so much confidence taking part and it's helped me understand what I'm capable of. It's exciting to represent my college and be part of something this big.
Hosting the national finals here in Newport is a significant moment for Wales.
It highlights the importance of skills in shaping our economy,
our future workforce and the opportunities to help young people around us.
As a WorldSkills UK Centre of Excellence, we're extremely proud to be hosting skills competitions from multiple disciplines, bringing together talent from across the United Kingdom. Skills competitions are all about celebrating students' skills, dedication and ambition, and showcasing what vocational excellence really looks like.
WorldSkills isn't just competitions, it's a community that brings together students, employers, industry experts to celebrate achievement and inspire the next generation.